Hi everyone, it's Nate with Outside Cleaners. I'm here in Brewster on beautiful Cape Cod, Massachusetts, where since 2011 or so, I've cleaned your roofs and decks and patios and siding, basically washing the outside of your Cape Cod home. Since 2014, I've employed my wife, Leah, to manage our business office, where she's done a great job of keeping things running smoothly and professionally. There's been times over the years when our son helped out as well to earn extra spending money. But my point is that we are as small and local a mom and pop family business as you could really get. Now, the benefit of our type of business is we provide a very high level of service. The service that starts with answering your phone call or email, and the service that continues with giving you excellent, experienced cleaning results. I do all the cleaning, the dirty work myself with my own two hands. I don't hire out the work to, seasonal, temporary employees. I don't sub it out to contractors and, send them down the road with a list of addresses to clean. No, I do it all myself, so that the cleaning results you get are the cleaning results you can only get by having tens of thousands of hours of experience in this type of work. So that's the benefit of our type of business. The downside, and the downside of any quality service on Cape Cod, is the lead time, the time it takes to get to the top of the to-do list. And that's the case for any quality service on Cape Cod, whether it's, roofing or framing, plumbing, or where you go for breakfast. If you're paying for quality, there's probably going to be some sort of weight involved. And in recent years, that's been more and more of an issue with us, because again, I don't have the ability to get through a list of work as quickly as the big guys out of Hyannis that have crews and trucks and can just send people all over the place. I'm doing things one at a time. Case in point, here we are February 1st, and I'm spending my afternoon looking at exterior cleaning jobs that the homeowners are asking to be done by the 4th of July. That's typical for us. I'm making this video to explain to our customers why this situation is unfortunately going to get a little worse for us. No easy way to say it. Going back a year ago, Leah started to have health problems. Strange and inexplicable at first, and then over time, we found the right doctors, the right specialists, who explained that she had what's called a dissected artery. So, it's basically an artery going into her brain, and the artery just unfortunately started to come apart. And that's exactly as painful and dangerous as it sounds. So poor Leah has spent the better part of a year recovering from that and getting her health back. And we've gotten back to this point to learn that she also has a type of spreading cancer. So my message to you is, I clean. If you have a cleaning project in mind, I'd very much like to talk to you about it and explain what I can do to be helpful. But this year, along with our normal backlog of work, we also have the fact that Leah's going to be going through a couple surgeries, and then radiation treatment, and then, lots of trips to and from Boston. I do want to talk to you about your work. I have to continue to pay my bills and keep cash flowing and support my family. So I'm here to do what I can, but I'm asking for your patience and understanding that cleaning your deck is important to me, but it's important in the bigger context of what's going on. So that's my message. I appreciate your time and attention. And if I can be helpful with your project, it is never, ever too early to call. I'm at 508-209-1972. Thank you.